This is Millpoint Campground, just north of Peoria on the east side of the Illinois River. We stayed there in October. This was our last camp outing for 2021. There's a bathhouse there on the right, a little log cabin structure, and then also the office on the right. That's where Don will meet you. There's a lot of pull-through sites. Our site was a full hookup site, and when we walked the grounds, it looked like most of the sites were full hookup sites. If you go straight ahead, you'll run into the boat launch, and then there's some ATV trails off to the left. And there's also another loop there on the left with sites. There's a loop right here with some sites, and then as you go straight ahead, you go across the little bridge, and then there's also another loop of sites. The sites are big, pretty level. They were crushed gravel, so it was pretty firm. We arrived a little bit late, and it was dark, so we really couldn't see much when we pulled in. Don will take you right to your site when you arrive. So that was kind of nice. But we're around here on the left-hand side. And then the river is just off to your left. You'll run right into it once you make this corner. Sites are pretty good sized, plenty of room for parking, and it was a pretty nice time. Let's take a look at what our campsite looked like. We did a little hiking on the second day. This is the boat launch into the little canal that's just off of the river. And then these are some of the ATV trails. Again, here's the office on the right-hand side. They don't have a trash bin. What you do is you just bag your garbage up and put it at the end of your driveway by the street, and they come around and pick it up. We did take a trip over to Peoria to try to get some ice cream, and most of the ice cream places were already closed. The camp host also owns a pizza restaurant in East Peoria, just across the bridge. So we went over there. It's called Pizza Works here. And we went over there and got a pizza. It was pretty good. And you get a discount if you're staying at the RV park. Again, this is Millpoint Campground just north of Peoria. Thanks again for watching.